Hello everyone! Good evening po. It's 13 minutes past 6 p.m. here. But as you can see, it still is bright in here. May araw pa po kasi it's summer is fast approaching. Kaya po ganun po dito. So happy Saturday, and I'm just hoping that all of you are doing well. So as you can see, I am in the van. So I'm just outside. I'm in the car park outside the bar and restaurant where the darts tournament is being held at the moment. So nandun po yung aking husband. I just decided to come in here para marinig niyo po ang sinasabi ko kasi maingay po dun sa loob. So, well, today, meron po akong gustong i-share sa inyo about stepping out of your comfort zone. So, I know it's not easy. Hindi po madali kasi I myself, I'm not used to doing go live. And honestly, sometimes I used to avoid it. Kasi masyado po ako nahihiya talaga ako, mahihiyain po talaga ako. Because I can remember before na when I have this Facebook, I only use it to communicate with my relatives, my family, and my friends, and I seldom post something. So, but this business is helping me grow so much talaga. Talagang it's helping me grow so much. But you know, guys, starting an online business was not something I ever imagined before. Because when we went here more than 20 years ago, so I just want to have job, an office job, so I can have this Monday to Friday work and I can be with my family during weekend. So yun po ang aking hinahanap. But then after more than a decade, I found this business. Maybe you will ask why starting an online business was not something I never imagined doing. Kasi I had no technical skills, I had no experience. I'm just a mom with big dreams for my family and a lot of prayers. So ganun pong nangyari. But I know something had to change in my situation. Kasi I was tired of working long hours po. And then I'm always feeling behind. And then missing out some time with my family. And we always have difficulty of making both ends meet. Kasi when you are living abroad, with your family, it's hard. So then when I found this opportunity, well, even though I have this doubt and I was scared, I said yes. And let me tell you, it's really a game changer. It is really a game changer. Kasi now I get to work from home, and then I get to be with my family, spend time with them, and then I run, because my business is running. My business is running around my life, not the other way around. Okay? And I found a peace, I found purpose, and hope again. Kaya po, yung business na to, it's heaven sent for me and to those people who are doing this business. Well, kasi guys, this business is not just about an income. It's about having freedom and then having flexibility, and finally feeling like I'm living life on my own terms. So guys, if you are still thinking like, could I really do something like that? Well, I felt the same when I found this business, but I took the leap. And it's one of the best things that I have ever done. So if I were you guys, take the step. Trust God, because your breakthrough might be waiting just outside your comfort zone. Okay, so just have faith, just take a leap and trust God and believe in yourself, guys. Okay, and that's all for today, and thank you for watching, and have a great day, guys. Bye.